Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to download and install MS Office 2019 for free tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your local browser and then we'll have to search in there the website wherein we could go ahead and download Microsoft Office. So as you can see, we are currently onto the website, which is config.office.com/deployment settings. Right after you search that onto your local browser, you'll get redirected here onto the screen. So we have here the deployment settings. So before we could proceed, we need to go ahead and fill up this. So we need to choose the architecture that you want to deploy. So if your device is 32-bit, choose this one. But since mine is 64-bit, I'm gonna choose this one. Right after, we're gonna go ahead and choosing the products that we want to deploy. So here in Office Suite, we'll just have to choose in here the Office 2019. So there are two options. We have the standard and professional. So we could choose standard here, scroll down, and then right after, here are the apps that you want to go ahead that you could go ahead and deploy. So you could choose on which one you want to add onto your Microsoft Office. So I don't want to have this one. So if you don't want to have those, just untoggle them off. So for example, I just want to install the Excel and Word for that. So we're going to choose or toggle on both of this. Right after, we'll have to click on next, choose in a language. And then if you have additional language, you could add them here. Click on next to proceed with the installation for that. Click on next again. So choose where you want to deploy updates from. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn off automatic updates for that. We could turn this one on if you want to check it automatically for updates. You'll just have to click on next right after. So you could have this to automatically accept the license term. You could read through that. We also have here the product key and the activation. Click on next. And then you could provide your organization name to set the company property on Office documents. And you could also provide a description for this configuration for documentation purposes. Click on next. And we have here the application preferences. So you could just simply choose onto which one you want to see onto your Microsoft Office. And once you're done, just simply click on finish. Then right after, once that one is done, just simply click on export in here. So it should go ahead and show you something like this. Just choose the keep current settings in there. Click on OK. And read through the terms and agreement in here. Accept that. Choose a file name and click on export. So it should go ahead and download over here. So we'll just have to wait for that one. And once the configuration is done, head here onto the Office deployment tool. So to head onto this link or on this website, simply search Office deployment tool onto your browser and you'll get redirected here. Then right after, select a language and then download it. So you'll just have to wait for both of this to be done. So once both of this are done, you'll just have to go onto the file folder wherein it is saved. Once you're in here, we'll have to create a new folder so that we could combine both of this. Right click here, click on new, and then add in a folder and we'll name this Office 2019. So let's put both of this inside. And let's go ahead and open this. Right after, we'll have to run this one. So to run this, we have to right click onto this and then run this as administrator. Then you should be able to see something like this wherein you must accept the license terms in order to continue with the installation. So click here to accept that, click on continue. And then right after, it will ask you to select a folder to store the extracted file. So since we have created a folder earlier, we'll just have to locate that. So that was under here, download, and we have Office 2019 and click on OK. So as you can see, files has been extracted successfully and you could see that one here inside this specific folder. So just simply click on OK. Then right after, once you have extracted that, we'll just have to click here onto the location onto the upper part so that we could open command prompt. So type in CMD in here onto the first part, add in a space, and click on enter. So they should go ahead and open command prompt onto your device just like this. Then right after, what we need to do in here is we'll need to configure this one, this configuration XML. So to do this, we'll have to go ahead and type in that one here. So just type in configure, so setup, then slash configure. Then right after, add in the file name, which is this one, configuration. So we'll just have to copy that one out and make sure to completely copy this since this one is case sensitive, just like this. And right after this, you'll just have to click on enter. Right after you click enter, you should be able to see a prompt to go ahead and install Microsoft 360 onto your device. So just following the prompts in there and wait for the installation to be done so that you can now use your newly downloaded and installed MS Office 2019 for free. And that's just basically it on how you do it. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.